Hey again guys, Chris here from tipsforlawyers.com with another episode of Non-Billable, and I'm actually talking about interior decorating today, which is pretty hilarious for me for reasons that will become obvious. But before I do that, I'll introduce the show. This is Non-Billable. This is where I spend 3 or so minutes answering some questions, giving some advice, or sometimes having a bit of a rant about whatever might bother me today. This time though, I am answering a question. Believe it or not, someone has actually emailed me, and if you know me, that's pretty funny, the topic of this email, but they have inquired what is the most appropriate way to decorate an office. And part of the reason I wanted to do an episode of Non-Billable on that is because it's hilarious that someone would ask me. It's obviously someone that's not met me and thinks I might have something useful to actually add to that particular topic. Look, the reality is your office can be decorated however you want. You can decorate your office in a way that makes you feel comfortable, but ideally, the main thing is to make you productive. If clutter makes you productive, and I strongly suggest it doesn't, you've just convinced yourself that it does, then that works for you. The reality is, for me, the less, the better. The less files I have in my office, the less decorations I have in my office, the less distractions I have in my office, the more likely I am to be focused and productive. If I could get rid of pretty much everything out of my office, then I almost certainly would, so it was just me and a computer. But the fact is that's not how legal practice works. Some people though find it relaxing to have plants in. Plants can help increase the oxygen in the office, and that can help make you more stimulated and more productive. Some people like to have photos of the family to remind them about the people they don't see as often as they'd like. I do a bit of that sometimes. I don't have many decorations in my office right now, but those things can be helpful too. But the reality is the less distractions, the more likely you are to be productive, and the better chance you've got of going home in a timely fashion. So that's my thoughts on interior decorating. If you could leave a review on iTunes or give this a thumbs up on YouTube or give it a share on Facebook, I'd really appreciate it. The series is just getting off the ground. Lots more episodes of Non-Billable to come. I'll see you soon.